I'm afraid the internet is in one of its peak phases this year so far. This dude named Pirate Software, who honestly I haven't really heard of because I haven't been paying attention to game development all that much, has been getting absolutely torn apart. And remember, I actually mentioned Coding Jesus a while back, and I'm not gonna lie, this guy is cracked out of his mind, and I said it before. And would you look at that? The last guy who would ever want to review my code before, I lose my appetite, ended up reviewing one of the most notoriously biggest liars ever. I mean, this guy just pathologically lies so much. And there's a video from 9 months ago actually called My Problems with Pirate Software. So it's not even new, but someone for real took him serious because some of his code came out and it's been just, it's been erroneous. That's not all I have today. So one of the also wonderful things we've experienced today is that, listen, my little CLI project is starting to come to life. There's a lot of stuff going on here, but whatever. That's just a little shout out. Follow my Twitter and subscribe. But I do want to say that the internet's been absolutely fucking hilarious lately, bro. I mean, dude, Grok 4 referring to itself as Mecha Hitler was peak internet, bro. What is going on right now? And another thing is that on Instagram, I'm seeing the most racist videos of my life, and it's AI just letting that slide, bro. So someone might have jailbroken all the prompts, because Jesus. So today's focus is probably going to be on Pirate Software, because I've never seen such an idiotic focus, such an idiotic take on programming in my life. And one of the funniest parts that I witnessed from this guy is that he used ones and zeros instead of booleans. It feels like he just kind of learned about that in computer science and wanted to show off that he knew a little more than everyone else. Bro, you're literally up against the guy named Coding Jesus. Do you really expect to win? This guy is Coding Jesus. Bro, just look at it. Do you think you're gonna win in an argument?
Actual hacker. Yeah. My last job was hacking power plants for the federal government. I worked for the United States Department of Energy.
You guys take this guy serious, dude? Can anyone really take this guy serious? He's a hacker, dude. He's a hacker. And he worked for Blizzard. He's gonna take you down, dude. You better watch out. So I think we can kind of just learn from this guy. One main lesson though, and that is that your appearance literally means everything. It doesn't even seem like you need to actually know anything. You can just lie. You can lie your way through. We've seen Soham Pyrik, I don't know if I said that right, but he might have thrown a little, lie here and there, and he got 200 companies. Lies get you far, bro. Just look at our government, bro. Sorry, I shouldn't have said that. Another funny thing is that Slop News Network here made a video, and honestly, shout out to you. If we go, I have this little extension called Outliers. It's a 588.2x outlier. That means it's performed 588.2 times better. So obviously this guy's been despised, absolutely despised. His last video got a good 3.2 thousand views, but let me go over and it got 1 million views. Dude, there must have been some serious hate around this guy. Unfortunately, I'm kind of new to the scene. If we go to the good old Max Syntax, my first video was about 3 months ago. It was absolute banger. Look at that cute little Scholastic dude right there. Dude, he's just so knowledgeable. Oh my god. So it's funny because people are actually happy that Pirate Software came out and started doing all this because it's led to people getting mad enough to make changes. That's actually really funny. There's an equal and opposite outcome to all this. Bro, how do you find a way to talk about this for 21 minutes, dude? Some of these YouTubers are so cracked. My videos, I barely fit them into an 8-minute frame. How do these guys fit them into 21-minute frames? I literally just watched this clip. Oh my god, and this guy also got 4 million views on this. Guys, help me. I'm literally just trying to find my way through coding. To my understanding, this Stop Killing Games, and it's this movement to challenge the legality of publishers destroying video games that have sold to customers and increasing the number of video games that are sold effectively as goods with no stated expiration date, but design becomes completely unplayable as soon as the support from the publisher ends. Holy shit, that's terrible. I guess what's really frustrating about this guy is that he's a raging ego. He will look you in the face and say that his code's a bunch of masterful work when it looks like this. So I guess everyone's tired of LARPing. And it's funny because we had the exact same situation in tech Twitter. Dude, you go everywhere and there's a new product manager talking about his amazing AI product. And it's just a ChatGPT rapper, the usual. Oh my god, man. This is stupid. This is hilarious. I personally look at this and it's yo, it makes sense. You want to stop killing games. These are such small things and they drag so many people into them. I don't get it. I mean, pride is seriously so dangerous. These guys spend so much time just shitting on each other, bro. I don't understand how these guys yap for so long. I guess I don't find any pride in this at all. I don't find anything fun about this. I do find funny his code because I love seeing people who talk really big about their code get shut down. Not because I like seeing people get ruined, but finally letting reality do its thing. It gets really frustrating watching so many liars just talk so confidently. This guy's following is absolutely huge, by the way. I mean, honestly, I feel like there's nothing wrong with Stop Killing Games. We got the annoying server issues. Sure, there's a few things that are pretty annoying about it for sure. But dude, that's crazy. You don't even own full rights to the game when you buy them, bro. That's like you buying a toy from Toys R Us when it was a thing. Rest in peace. And then while you're playing with it, like 10 years later, they just come back and take it from you and be like, oh shit, bro, we don't own this anymore. We need that back. Dude, that would break my heart into pieces. Oh my God. Kind of just seems like a bunch of man babies fighting nonstop. Oh, you're the bad guy. No, you're the bad guy. Well, my fans agree with me. And obviously, you know, our buddy Pirate Software here didn't seem to have a whole lot of support in his comments. His code kind of sucks too. Anywho, hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys. Absolute bang. I got a way better video coming out soon. I just had to make this though, because God, that is funny. Seriously funny. Let's take a look at my project though. You can make a sound and play it. Goodbye.